যে বইটা কিনতে হবে তার নাম ইন্ডিয়ান উইভস। আশা করব প্রত্যেকেই তোমরা বইটা কিনে নেবে যাতে তোমরা ক্লাস ফলো করতে পারো, right? And the whole syllabus, the text, all will be uploaded in the college website. কি করে কলেজ ওয়েবসাইটে দেখবে সেটা আমি বলে দিয়েছি সোনালী। হ্যাঁ, থ্যাংক ইউ সোনালী। ওকে,
স্যার আরেকবার একটু বইটার নামটা বলুন, আমার একটু নেটওয়ার্কের কানেকশনের একটু প্রবলেম হচ্ছে।
তানিয়া, প্লিজ স্পিক ইন ইংলিশ whenever you are in the class. বইয়ের নামটা আমি চ্যাট বক্সে লিখে দিচ্ছি তোমাদের সুবিধার্থে। আমি লিখে দিয়েছি, বইয়ের নাম ইন্ডিয়ান উইভস, রাইট ক্লাস? ওকে, so please note that today's class will be a demonstrative class on how to find your study materials in the college website. I have demonstrated to you in the previous class what is your syllabus mentioned in the Indian Weaves book, right? And today I will share with you how to go to the college website, how you are to go to the college website, and how are you supposed to find your class notes. আমি তোমাদের দেখাবো সেটা, দেখো। So I am starting to present my screen, right? I will demonstrate to you how to
স্যার দেখা
search.
যাচ্ছে না তো, স্যার দেখা যাচ্ছে না।
Please wait, it has not started. When I present, you will be given the notification on your screen. Please be patient. Okay, see. See, first of all, we need to have a tab, right? We need to have a tab, that is যার মধ্যে দিয়ে আমরা গুগলে যাই, right? So I'm going to a new tab and I'm sharing it with all of you. I hope the screen is visible to all of you. Okay, see, this is Google, right? This is a tab. This is a tab on which you have to search. তোমাদের মোবাইলেও সার্চ বারে গিয়ে তোমরা ওরকম ভাবেই সার্চ করবে যেভাবে আমি দেখাচ্ছি। প্রথমে তোমরা লিখবে কলেজের নাম বা কলেজের ওয়েবসাইটের নাম, যেটা ইজ mdmbirati.org. What is the name of the college website? mdmbirati.org. So just search with mdmbirati.org. So যেই তুমি লিখলে mdmbirati.org, the college website opens up, right? যেই কলেজ ওয়েবসাইট ওপেন করে গেল, তোমরা দেখবে প্রথমেই দেখা হয়
ম্যাম ঠিক
ক্লিক
মতো
হেয়ার
কিছু শুনতে পাচ্ছি না।
ফর ক্লাস নোটস, এই লাল চিহ্নটা, এই লাল সুইচটা ক্লিক করবে তোমরা। গেলে
স্যার কিছু দেখা যাচ্ছে না।
mdm বিরাট পর
স্যার অস্পষ্ট দেখাচ্ছে।
ক্লাস নোট সেকশন, right? When anybody hello class,
Yes, sir.
স্যার
yes, is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please stay with me and I will demonstrate to you how you are about to search your notes on the college website, right? So first of all, go to mdmbirati.org. Once you go to mdmbirati.org, I don't know why the screen is not visible. Okay, so first of all, you need to type mdm.birati.org and then okay, আমি লিখে দিচ্ছি। I have turned on my screen sharing option and it is showing that I am sharing. So first of all of you need to type mdmbirati.org. As you click to mdmbirati.org, thank you Tuhin for writing the name of the website. As you type indianbirati.org. The screen will open and we will then be able to view onto a section called section is click here for class. Website e giye tomra jeta click. Please mute yourselves. It is the class is going on. Shobita, if you don't mute yourself, I have to remove you from the meeting. Right, so once you go to the I don't know, someone is presenting the screen, therefore I cannot present my screen. Please stop presenting. Please stop presenting. Okay, so just see that whenever we go to mdmbirati.org, then there is a section called click here for class notes. Now, if we go to this section, click here for class notes, the tab will open into a section called class notes. Right? And then go to BA General. Go to BA General. In that section, তোমরা জানো তোমাদের কোর্সটা হচ্ছে BA General, যারা বিকম তারা বিকম জেনারেল বলে ক্লাস নোটস এর মধ্যে সেকশনটায় ঢুকবে, রাইট? সেমেস্টার সিলেক্ট পেপার টাইপ, সিলেক্ট সাবান দিবি, পেপারে গিয়ে এলসিসি দিবি, সাবজেক্টে গিয়ে ইংলিশ দিবি। রাইট, যেই দিয়ে দিলি ক্লিক হিয়ার টু সি নোটস। সো যেই তুমি এইভাবে করবে, অনলি দ্য সেম ওয়ান অ্যান্ড এলসিসি, এইটুকু বলে তোমরা ক্লিক হিয়ার টু সি নোটস করবে, তাহলেই তোমরা তোমাদের নোটস গুলো দেখতে পাবে। Please mute yourselves. Cannot put on our video and audio because তাহলে যেটা হবে, তোমরা সবাই জানো যে আমার শেয়ারিংটা বন্ধ হয়ে যাবে। That cannot be done. তোমরা যাবে। Or otherwise what you can do, just scroll through the page. যেমন ধরো এইখানে দেখো ডিটেলে দেওয়া আছে ফর সেম ওয়ান, এইটা যেমন তোমাদের সিলেবাসে আছে, আব্বুরি ছায়া দেবী দ্য উডরোজ, So it is meant for SEM 1, it is LCC, it is English. এটা 30 তারিখ তোমাদের জন্য আপলোড করা হয়েছে। So is my screen visible to everyone? Please write in your chat boxes. If it is visible to everyone, আমি দেখাচ্ছি কি করে তোমরা নোটগুলোকে খুলবে বা ডাউনলোড করবে। Okay, now ক্লাস নোটসে এলে এই দেখো, সো এই ডিটেলগুলো পড়ে নেবে। তোমরা জানো তোমরা SEM 1, the course is called LCC, it is a part of the English, therefore LCC English পাবলিশ হয়েছে 30 তারিখ। সো আব্বুরি ছায়দেব দাউদ রোজ। এইবার তোমরা মেটেরিয়ালটা কি করে দেখবে? আরো সোজা মেটেরিয়ালটা দেখা আরো সোজা, জাস্ট ভিউ কোর্সে যাবে, ভিউ কোর্স ক্লিক করলেই ভিউ কোর্সটা খুলে যাবে। Once the view course opens up, দেখো দেখেছো, the file opens। এবার এখানে তোমরা দেখবে এইভাবে ডাউনলোড করতে হয়। ডাউনলোডের অপশন তোরা সবাই জানিস, তোরা প্রচুর ডাউনলোড করিস I believe, therefore just go to this and click on download and download the material. Is the presentation clear? Have you learned how to go to the Mrinalini Datta website and then click here for class notes page? তোমরা দেখবে প্রত্যেকটা জিনিস দেওয়া আছে, এমনকি তোমরা দেখো this is the book Indian Weaves that you need to buy, therefore আমি তোমাদের এই বইটা দেখাচ্ছি যাতে তোমরা সকলে এই বইটা কিনে নিতে পারো। এইটাও দেখো আমরা তোমাদের জন্য আপলোড করে দিয়েছি ক্লাস, রাইট? এই বইটা সকলে একটু কিনে নেবে। ভালোভাবে দেখে নাও, দরকার হলে কারোর কাছে খাতা পেন থাকলে লিখেও নিতে পারো। Please note the details of the book. You must have this book when you enter the class. Right? So please note the details of the book. Also, as I said, those of you who are not able to join on the Google Meet by 12:30 p.m. are advised to go to Facebook and like our departmental page meant for you students, which I have shared in your chat box. So please, those of you who are not able to join us here, Shilpa, please mute yourself and also your video. Please put up your video. Thank you, Shilpa. Right? So you need to have this book for your class. Please তোমরা তাড়াতাড়ি এটা কিনে নাও যাতে আমরা ক্লাসের টেক্সটগুলো ধরতে পারি। Also, what you need to do is that you, all of you who are present here for the class, need to go to Facebook, and I have provided you the Facebook link. So just go to Facebook and there is a Facebook page with the name of LCC MDM English. So just search on Facebook this LCC MDM English. Just search with this and like the page. All the classes that are done with you on Google Meet are recorded and video stream there. So all of you can also watch the class later during your, whenever you find time. If you want to go back to the class and to hear to the lectures presented in the class, just go to the Facebook page, search with LCC MDM English, you'll find the page, like the page, and there you will like and follow the page, and there you will find the videos of the classes uploaded which are done with you daily on Thursday, Friday and Saturdays, right? So also, if you have any comments on a previous video, you know how to scroll and use Facebook. You can comment on the video comments section, and you can raise your doubts there if you like, just like you are raising your doubts on this class via the chat box. So mind you, all your doubts which you type here will be answered by the teachers, the concerned faculties who are taking up the classes. And we welcome you all to raise your doubts. But please maintain the fact that you are in a class, so you are advised to put off your video and audio. You can only type your questions. You can also write something that you want to know, but there also the questions must be related to the syllabus, right? Because roll number and all those things are maintained by us, certainly. So we will see to it how we mark you present. And if you have not got your challans, your pay slips, please contact the office and resolve the issue. We cannot help you with that, except telling that you are needed to contact the office if you face any problem regarding the challan. Right, class? So have you seen how you search the, how you search the whole thing? Just go to the Mrinalini Datta Mahavidyapith web. Enter the class notes section. Go to BA General. Search, with the keywords, or if you don't even search, just scroll through the page from up to down. There you will find that we have actually put on many of your texts, like Sita, but the mind is without fear. We have given the picture of the book that you all need to bring in the class. We have also provided other texts like Photograph by Ruskin Bond, Dilip Chitre, The Felling of the Banyan Tree, Aburi Chayadevi, The Woodrose. How would you download the materials? Just click on the view course thing. The whole course will open up at the and you need to click on the, you just need to click on here, and there is a download option which comes. So just click on here and download the text, right? So I believe that you all will find it easier to search in this section, and therefore you will download all the materials which are provided in the class or after the class or for the class. As it is a Google Meet platform, we cannot upload the materials here in the chat box. So you need to go through the college website, click on the class notes sections, then click on the BA General section. BA General section, just scroll down the page that opens. Click on the view course option to, visualize whatever materials are offered by teachers. And finally, as you click on the view course option, the whole material will open up. Click on the download button and download it. So that's all. I hope that the whole process of searching in the college website is clear. Do the same for your other general subjects. Whatever combinations you are taking in. Therefore, just search on them. Just search whatever subjects you are taking in from the BA General section. If you take English, search with English LCC. If you take history, search with history. If you take journalism, search with journalism. If you take Bengali, search with Bengali. So just search the subject name, read the detail section and click on the notes to download them. Right? So class, I believe that the whole process of searching materials on the college website is clear to you all. And also please note that all the things that you write in the chat box are recorded. Therefore, please type the questions that are pertinent to the class only. Now, if any of the students have any question, I will view the chat box and I will expect that you write your doubts. Also, I will provide you the I will provide to you the link to the Facebook page, so that you can go to the Facebook page and you can like it, and there you can see the videos of our class. Once a class is over, normally we upload the videos so that you can go back and you can go back to any of the classes. So there are two things that you need to do. One is visit the college website class notes section daily for regular updates on the LCC. Check it at least thrice in a week, and if you are on Facebook, search LCC MDM English or you are given the link. So just go to this link and like and follow the page for the videos of the class. They will be uploaded there, right? Now, if any one of you have a question, please write it in the chat box so that